Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is magnetic wireless power bank. They could basically use it as a magnetic wireless charger, but it also works as a power bank to charge other devices at the same time. And you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and then right here is basically what the product looks like. If you guys turn it on the side right here, they show you guys how to use it for different size phone. And if you guys turn to the other side, they provide guys with more specs and features that's on the product. So they mentioned how it has a 20 watts power delivery quick charging option. It has a wired and wireless option, and it has a power delivery quick charging two-way fast charging. So I'm assuming for like the input and output. So I guess the max watts that's on here is 20 watts, but for the battery capacity that's on here is 10,000 mAh, which is enough power for you guys to recharge your phone from 0 to 100 2 times. But that is basically everything that's on the package. Now I'm going to open up to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So let's take off this part right here. Right there, you can see we do have the product, and right here they do provide the cable. Let's take everything out first. So the cable that's provided for you guys is a USB to USB-C cable. You can see right here. You can definitely use that to recharge the product. And right underneath the actual product, they do provide you guys some stickers, the warranty card, and also user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And that is basically everything that's in the package. Now let's take a look at the actual product. So you can see in the front part right here, they do mention how it is 20 watts. But right here is basically where you can do the wireless charging option. Top part right here, we do have the display screen. Right here on the side, you can see we do have the power button. So if you guys do press it one time, that basically turns on the screen right here. So currently it's around like 83%. And you probably want to peel out this part right here if it's your first time using it. So that way you get a better view of the screen when you guys do use it. And if you guys turn over this side, right here we do have one USB-C option and one USB option. And like I mentioned, for right here, they do give you guys the power delivery and the quick charging option. So that way you fast charge the device. And if you guys look really carefully right here, they do provide the specs that's on the product in terms of input and output when you guys do use it. And when you guys turn to the side right here, you can see the product is actually pretty slim. It's not that big, but that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I test it out, let me actually plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it first. So right here, I do have my USB-C cable. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, you can see right here it is blinking. So that is basically how you guys know when it's charging. But now let's try the magnetic wireless charging option to see when it actually works while the product is charging. So if you guys do put it onto the back, you can see that does work. So you definitely do have the option to charge your phone while it's charging the actual power bank at the same time. If you guys want to use the other outlet right here, which is USB, you definitely can. So if you guys do plug in right here. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see that works as well. So you definitely do have the option to charge 3 devices at the same time if you guys want to, because the USB-C option also works as an input and output. So if you guys do unplug the cable, and if you guys plug in this cable right here, which is USB-C, and other side will plug it onto our phone. And you see that works as well. So definitely really cool how it does allow you guys to use a USB-C option as an input and output. And on top of all that, you do have the option to charge 3 devices at the same time, which is pretty cool. And if you guys saw when you guys do the magnetic option in the back, the magnet on there is actually really strong. So that way you don't have to worry about your phone dropping when you guys do use it. And I also do want to mention that when you guys do the wireless charging option without anything else plugged in, it does give you guys a fast wireless charging option. So if you guys do stick it on again, you can see that logo right there. That is basically the MagSafe charging logo to let you guys know that you can get the fastest charging speed on here. Not like what you guys saw earlier when it doesn't have that logo. So definitely really cool how it does give you guys that option, because there's a lot of other magnetic wireless charger power bank that does not give you guys that option, so it won't charge as fast as what you guys see right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality magnetic wireless charger that also works as a power bank that give you guys like the outlet on top, which is USB-C and USB, so that we can charge 3 devices at the same time, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.